How to save Instagram draft reels to gallery. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Instagram reels drafts directly to your phone's gallery without posting, which is ideal for editing further, backing up, or sharing elsewhere. So what you're going to do is simply click on this plus icon over here, and then you're going to click on drafts here at the top left. Once you do so, you'll be able to see all of your drafts over here. So you're going to click on your draft. Once you do so, you're going to click on edit at the top right. Here, you're going to click on this arrow at the top left, and then you're going to scroll these options to the right, and here you'll be able to see this option over here. Simply click on it and it would say saved. So you can simply head over to your gallery and you'll be able to see that this Instagram draft reel has been saved to your gallery. So that is basically how you can save Instagram draft reels to gallery. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.